So, remember when the US banned Huawei back in 2019? No Google, no chips, no advanced tech. Everyone thought it was game over for Huawei. Fast forward to now, and Huawei's not just surviving, they're straight up thriving. The company is building its own chip factories and making high-end processors for smartphones and AI without relying on US technology. And here's the crazy part. Other Chinese companies are starting to follow Huawei's lead because, let's be honest, if it happened to Huawei, it could happen to any of them. Let me break it down. Recently, satellite images revealed something massive. Huawei is constructing a next-gen chip production plant in Guanlan, China. This isn't just a small facility. We're talking about a mega site aimed at producing 7nm processors for smartphones and AI. This is where the Kirin and Ascend chips are coming from, the very same chips that are powering Huawei's comeback. One of the factories in that area is reportedly already managed by Huawei. The other two belong to chip toolmaker SiCarrier and memory chipmaker Shueisure. But now, Huawei wants to take it up a notch and build a large-scale facility to meet the growing demand for their Kirin and Ascend chipsets. This move is part of a much bigger plan. Help China become self-sufficient in chip making and break free from dependency on overseas tech. And guess who's watching this closely? Xiaomi. Yep. A new report suggests Xiaomi is preparing its own custom chipset, reportedly called X-Ring, to avoid falling into the same trap Huawei did. They are setting it up under a separate entity, Xiaomi X-Ring, probably to keep it low profile and stay off the US radar. Because let's face it, the US has its eyes on China's growing chip and AI capabilities, and things could escalate real quick. Xiaomi's approach is eerily similar to what Huawei did. Build in silence, prepare for the worst, and move towards independence. And it makes sense. They've seen what happened to Huawei, and no one wants to be caught off guard. So let's give credit where it's due. Huawei was the first to take that massive risk, ditching US tech, going solo with Harmony OS, and now building its own chip empire from scratch. Now, other Chinese tech giants like Xiaomi are quietly trying to follow the same playbook, just in case history repeats itself. This isn't just about chips, this is about control, survival, and future-proofing. And Huawei, they're not just writing the playbook anymore. They are the playbook. So, what do you think? Can Huawei really stand on its own without US tech? Will Xiaomi pull it off with X-Ring chips? And more importantly, are we witnessing the beginning of a new tech ecosystem rising from the East? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.